Good morning student, I am your computer teacher Madhu, and today I will show you what kind of task can you perform in Windows 10 on file and folders. So student, as you can see, I am using Windows 10 on my laptop, and the first screen that you see after switching on the system is known as desktop. Here you can see many icons are there. Okay, these are different files, folders, and programs are on the desktop, and at the bottom here is a taskbar. So let's we start our practical activities. So first of all, I will show you how can you create a file. So I will use Microsoft Word. I will open it. To open any program or file, just click on it, uh, you, or you can right click on that file or folder and choose the open option. So I will take a blank document. To create a new file, choose the new option, then blank document, then create. So here a blank document is here. This is completely blank. So a blank document has the by default name document1. Okay, so I will type something. So now I have typed some material on it, some text. Now I will save this file so that I can get it uh, at any time. So click on the file option, go to save option, or you can use a shortcut key Ctrl+S. When you click on the save option, it display you a save dialog box. In this box, it will ask you to type the name of the file and type a file name. So type a file name and click on the save option. Here in this storage area, you can select your storage location to save your file or folder. Like if you want to store this file on desktop, documents, or downloads, so I will select desktop. I want to save this file on the desktop. Now click on the save option. Now close this file. Sorry, as you can see, now file name is changed to that I give the file name to the document. So close it. So as you can see, a new file is here with the name that I gave to the document. So now now I will show you how can you create a folder. Okay, so right click on the blank area of the desktop and choose new option, then folder option. As you can see, a new folder is created here, and by default its name is new folder. And if you want to rename it, we can give the new name to this folder. So to rename this folder, right click on this folder and use rename option. When you right click, you can see many options here. Like if you want to send to this folder to another locations, you can cut this folder, copy this folder. Okay, delete and rename. So select the rename. It is highlighted. Now you can give any names. Suppose I am giving com. So now my folder is renamed. Okay, now if you want to open your folder, double click on that folder, or you can choose a right click and then open. So as you can see, this folder is blank because I didn't save anything in this folder. So if I want to save my documents in this folder, so open this folder, sorry, file, by double clicking on it. Now I want to save my file that I created now in that folder. So choose file option, then go to save as option and select your location of the folder. The folder that I created now is on the desktop, then choose desktop and find that particular folder on the right side, that is com. So my folder is here, com. Select that folder. Now you can see my folder is blank. Now save this file in that folder. Okay, close it. So you can see now my folder is showing a file in it. Okay, so if I want to delete this folder, just simply right click and choose the delete option. Okay, so I have deleted this file, but if you want to recover that folder, uh, then you will go to the recycle bin. As you know, recycle bin keeps all your deleted files, so you can recover your deleted file from the recycle bin program. So double click on the recycle bin to open it. So as you can see, my deleted folder is here. Select your folder or right click on the folder and choose the restore option. When you click on the restore option, it will move from the recycle bin to its previous location. As you can see, my deleted folder is restored on its previous location. Okay, so now I will show how can you copy your file. Or so if I want to copy a file, it is file and I choose to move that, then choose, so copy and select your folder where you want to save your file, copy your file. So right click here and paste. So see, the copy option create a duplicate to the new location from the original location. But if you file or folder, it will move that file or folder to the new location. So you can see my file is copied to in this folder. So if you want to select multiple files, then select a, click on file or folder and choose the and press the shift key. Okay, then you can use the arrow keys to select contiguous file or folders. But if you want to select non-contiguous, non-contiguous means that are not uh, near to each other. Okay, so select a file or folder, then use control key, press the control key and with the help of mouse click on file or folder that you want to select. Okay, and if you want to select all your file and folder, then you can use the shortcut key control plus A to select all file and folders. Okay student, now perform these activities on your PC or laptop and tell me that you perform these activities or not. Thank you.